Hello, Miss Beautiful. How are you?
Magandang hapon po. Dito po
What
ako
are
sa
you doing here?
I'm
Why
here
are
in
you
Jerusalem.
here?
I'm here in Jerusalem.
You feel lonely here.
I'm working as a caregiver.
Oh, so what are you
What am I
doing with
doing?
your?
I am taking care of an old man who is a very
So-
makulit. He's a very makulit.
And
All the
then-
time, no sleeping. No sleeping. I don't sleep.
And then what are you doing here? Why are you here? Why are you?
Now I go outside to rest for a while. Because all the time I'll be going Alzheimer also. Because it's very, very... What's this?
Why are
Talking
you?
a lot. So
Why you
I
go
want to-
alone? You don't have a company to go roaming around.
No, I don't have. I'm alone. Nobody
What-
is... everybody is working.
What
so
about your friends? Why you don't
I'm
have
alone
friends?
today. My friends are working also. So they don't have time. I'm alone.
But it's not good if you are only alone walking in the
Yeah,
street.
so nananawagan po ako. Sino po dyan walang kasama na?
Sabi
Ay,
mo,
sige, dito na, dito
sabi
na.
mo, punta ka dyan, sabi mo yung mga
Nasa
anak.
Jerusalem po ako.
Sabi mo mga anak.
Mga anak, dito po ako sa Jerusalem. Nagtrabaho po ako dito. Namimiss ko na po kayo. Kumusta po?
I miss you
Miss ko na po
too.
kayong lahat. Mahal ko po
Oh,
kayong lahat. I love you. Love you.
I love you too.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye.